Alright, what is up, you guys? Today we are at Wheelstand Dragway. We just showed up. We're going to be doing some testing with the AFX for the first time on the track with us. We're going to find out a lot about what it wants to do, how it acts. I'm going to learn a lot about this car in specific. I have some experience with the Gasser, but this is like a whole different thing. So lots to learn today, but I'm looking forward to it. And we got Greg. He's gonna be helping me along with a lot of this stuff, so should be a good day.
So most trans companies will want you to start the burnout second, shift third.
Okay.
So, but yeah, I think what I'm going to do is make it to where you have to turn your race mode, which I don't know which one that is, but the race pack one. So yeah, I might set that to where that turns the gear shift around, just because if you start the burnout and it tries to shift itself and you got your hand here, it'll throw it hard enough that it's going to be uncomfortable. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
All right. So right now we are figuring out that we don't have a switch enabled that we thought we did. So the air shifter is going to be hooked up during the burnout. So Greg said after 6,500 RPM, the car will want to shift itself. So right now we're figuring out if we have a switch that we can use to enable or disable that function so that I can start and shift burnouts manually.
I would get it going decently fast to get used to the steering and brakes and stuff like that.
Tell your smart device to play WLLC on iHeartRadio.
Whatever you feel comfortable doing.
Alright, and I'm starting burnouts in a second.
Yep, second shifting to third. We'll see if it'll continue to do a burnout or it'll just stick the tire. If it does, it does. Go from there. Ready? Yes, let's go.
Alright.
I think they said like leads 4, 5, and 6 are slicks. did real well.
Whoa. That was a lot more power than I'm used to. That felt like a lot. And Greg has it turned down a bunch, but I got the first run jitters out of my system. Yeah, excited to do some more.
Now we get to find out if the oil pan survived.
Good wheelies.
Oh my god, that was fun. I feel like it was smaller than I'm picturing in my head.
No, it was good.
It was a
Was
good
it?
wheelie.
And it came up quick too.
Oh, right away. Right away.
Did?
Did it?
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Is it leaking or is it just scuffing?
No, it's just... That's what happens when you do a wheelie and you don't have that much clearance.
Yeah, it caved it pretty good.
Still had good oil pressure and everything.
Is the pickup all the way in the back of this? I'm assuming?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
I think I let off like immediately, but just getting used to the feeling. It was fun. It was really fun.
I took some out of it, tightened the front end up. Hopefully it'll stay down for you. If not, then lean forward.
Round 3. Looking forward to it. No wheelie this time, but I don't know, it feels like a lot more power, because there is, but I think that was the fastest coasting quarter I've ever gone. It's like 11.2 or something, and I let off pretty early, but it felt good. hey, didn't see there. I am just reading the newest issue of Sick to Mag. There's actually this article in here featuring, remember this guy? The 57 Gasser, which could be yours. If you subscribe to the magazine for an annual subscription, you get 40 entries to win the Gasser, and every purchase on Sick to Mag also gets you entries. So, this Gasser could be yours, and I will never get to race it again. Pass number 4 coming up. Let's go. That's not good.
You gonna probably have to, I don't even know, man, tow her.
Yeah, I don't have steering.
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I don't have steering.
Yeah, you leaked everywhere, it's broke.
Can I take a look?
Yeah, you
I can get up.
Just don't step in it, huh?
Alright.
Yeah, you broke your shaft. There, it came off. Watch it right there leaking. It came off right here.
Our deepest fear came true. The oil pan did not like that one. It was just spewing out of there. And I lost steering. So I was in the center of the track. My wheel just did nothing. The knuckle like popped out. And then lost all power, lost everything. Oh man. Off the line, I pulled a wheelie and then tried pedaling through it. Went back up again into another wheelie, and then on the second time I came down, slammed the oil pan into the ground, and then a little way down the track, I lost steering. Actually, well, right after the second time I bounced down, I lost steering and then lost all power, everything. So I couldn't even pull off to the side as I'm literally spewing oil all over the track. But it was one thing that we were really concerned about, like maybe one of our biggest concerns was the oil pan clearance, because we didn't have that much and we knew that this thing was gonna pop wheelies. So it was kind of inevitable, and now it's figuring out if there is an alternative oil pan or something else that we can try, or just replace the same one. But either way, it's got to get back together before Saturday. So that is the update for now. To be continued.